Hey, I'm Alex, and today we're river surfing. I wanted to come out and make a sweet Instagram Reels edit, and I wanted to share with you guys a couple easy transitions that can take your Instagram Reels edits to the next level. The first one is going to be the slap. So the only thing you have to do for this, it's probably the easiest and the most overused transition that you've ever seen. It's just when you take your hand and you move it in front of the camera like this, and when you take your hand away, you're in a different location. So this is the first clip that I'm going to get for that transition. I want the edit to start out with me taking my stand-up paddleboard and my paddle and putting it on, walking up to the camera, covering it up, and then when I uncover, I'll be skating down the path towards the wave. So this is what it's going to look like right here. To edit that clip, it's super easy. All you have to do is take the video in Instagram Reels, trim the clip so that the first clip ends right when your hand makes the camera go black, and then trim the second clip to start when your hand's making the clip black, and then end it wherever you want to after that. So super easy transition, and it makes everything seamless and look so much better. The next transition that I want to show you guys is just that cool transition you've seen where people just take an item of clothing and they throw it on themselves, and then they're in the new set of clothing. So for my Instagram edit on Reels, I wanted to take the next clip here at the wave, and I want to throw my wetsuit onto myself so that I'm ready to surf. And basically the only thing you need to do that is make sure your camera's on a tripod so the camera doesn't move. And you're just going to take your wetsuit or the item of clothing and you're going to throw it up against yourself like this. And then I'm not going to move the camera. I'm going to remember where my feet are at. I'm going to change really quick, and then the transition will look just like this. So obviously that transition looked pretty sweet. So for the final transition is going to be the flip. So basically I'm just going to hold the camera. I'm going to flip the camera away from myself while I'm right here. And then I'm going to flip it back towards myself. And then once I get on the wave, I'll take the camera and flip it away from myself and back towards myself again. And then I'm going to clip in between both of those clips. I'll trim in between both of those clips so that it looks like when I move the camera away from myself and back in, I reappear in the different location on the wave. just for the record, I do not recommend anybody taking their phone in the water like this. Super sketchy, and it's taken me a long time to figure it out because I don't want to mess my phone up. All right, I appreciate you guys watching. I'm gonna go surf a little bit. Hope you guys have a good day. Catch my next video. Thanks for the support.